Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a great day. So I was just tidying up the house. I'm having friends come over tonight. I just filmed a quick video on how I'm making this chili, and I decided I was starting to clean up the house and I was like, why am I not filming this? This is such a good video. Because I know that it's cleaning, and basically every cleaning video is somewhat in the same, but I'm preparing for company, so I'm trying to do this, you know, fairly quickly, and I want to tidy up just certain areas of the house that make the most impact. So today's video is going to be centered around what areas of your home that you should clean, or you should prioritize cleaning before you have company coming over. So this is going to be kind of casual. I'm going to kind of like talk to you as I'm doing it. I'll probably, I don't know if I'll put music in the video, but so tip number one, sorry I already took out the trash before I decided to start filming this video, but I would say taking out the trash, even if it's like 3/4 full, I would just take it out before people come, especially because they are having dinner over here. And you guys know how, like, when you're at someone's house and the trash is like basically full, and you know that you can't fit your item in the trash, and it's like kind of awkward. It's like, should I take out the trash for them? Should I like try to shove it in there but like risk it falling out? So just to avoid that whole thing, I'm probably overthinking this, but I can think of many times where I've been at other people's houses and the trash is full and I'm just kind of like awkward. Like, I don't really know what to do. Do I take it out for them? Do I just like try to smush my thing in there, or like what do I do? So anyway, I just recommend taking out the trash. That way you have plenty of room to throw out whatever you need to throw out, especially if you're having a little like dinner party or there's going to be food involved. Next tip, clean your bedroom. Just tidy it up. Doesn't need to be perfect, but just in case, I don't know, sometimes when you have friends come over, they ask like, oh, like what new things have you done to the house? Like, oh, let me see what your room looks like. I don't want to be in the situation where like the one time, not the one time they come over, but you know, I just want my bedroom to look presentable, because I know when I go to a friend's house and I know that they've been making some updates, I'm like, oh, let me see your room. So I know if that happens to happen, I just want to make sure that my bedroom looks decent. So I'm just gonna start by making my bed. I should be doing this every day anyway, but I haven't made it yet today because it was just me hanging out, and Minnie's sitting right there. So let's get her to move and then make this bed super quick.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there.
Okay, we're in the kitchen now. Other thing I like to do before people come over is put drinks in the fridge. If they're not already in the fridge, just restock it. I also just restocked the fridge with some waters, with some sparkling waters. And I'm gonna get some regular water to put in here too. They could just get from here, but I just like to have cold drinks available. And also I'm going to make sure that my ice maker is full. Looks like we have plenty of ice. That way, just in case anybody asks for ice water, I have ice to give them. Okay, we're still in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna run the dishwasher. It's about 3/4 of the way full. I was just making some chili, so I'm just gonna pick up the last couple of things in here that can go in the dishwasher, and I'm gonna run it real quick. We have a couple hours, so after we eat dinner, I don't want to feel like the sink is gonna pile up high, so I'd rather just have the dishwasher nice and empty. That way I can just throw everything in the dishwasher right after everybody leaves, or even if like we're kind of standing around talking, I can just like throw everything in really quick. That way at the end of the night, before I go to bed, it's not like a huge freaking disaster in here that I need to go into the weekend with.
And I am numb. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay, to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time.
Alright guys, so now we're in the guest bathroom. More than likely this is the bathroom that my guests would use when they come over. I have 2 bathrooms in the house, but yeah, this is the guest one. So even if you've cleaned your guest bathroom like 2 days prior, I just recommend giving it a very quick wipe down. I'm just gonna wipe down the mirror really fast. There's a couple little water marks. on there. And then just make sure that it's stocked with toilet paper, a towel to wipe their hands, soap. I like to anticipate things that people would need and they would feel, I don't know, I feel like embarrassed is the wrong word, but I just don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. I want to make sure that they have everything that they need, so I'll just try to anticipate what they might need and do it beforehand. So I'm just going to take, honestly, like 2 minutes and just wipe up this bathroom really fast because it is clean, but I just want to make sure that it's extra clean. So I'll do that really fast.
Down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can tell me.
Okay, so I'm in my bathroom now. Likely people wouldn't come to my room to use the bathroom, but I would say this is the lowest priority if you have time to just quickly straighten up. I have some clothes on the ground. Usually I don't do that, but I have some clothes on the ground. I'm just gonna throw in the hamper. I'm just gonna tidy up this very, very quickly, and that way it looks presentable. I'm not gonna do any type of deep cleaning in here. Just a quick little tidy up, wipe down the counters, and call it a day. The other thing I like to do before people come over is light some candles. I think it creates a very nice ambiance. I love when they walk in the door and they say, oh, it smells awesome in here. So I just lit my leaves candle, and yeah, it smells very good. In addition to turning on the candles, I just went ahead and turned on different lights around the house. This is a fake fireplace. It just has, there's no heat, it's just the flames. And then all of my fall decor, anything that has a light, I just went ahead and turned it on. So on the fireplace, I turned that on. Over here on my bar cart, I turned that pumpkin on. And right when you're walking in, you're greeted with this little situation. So yeah. Alright guys, so here is how the house turned out. Everybody's gonna be getting here in a few minutes, so gotta get dinner prepared. Just kind of fluffed up the pillows. It's the only thing you all didn't see me do. And then over here in my bedroom, I'll turn the light on. Like I said, I just made my bed. Didn't go too crazy. I mean, there's still some stuff on the ground, but I mean, whatever. It can't be perfect. I just threw my purse in here. I went ahead and straightened up this bathroom just a little bit, just in case somebody uses it. Plus, I just wanted to tidy it up for myself as well. But I also wanted to make sure I told you guys, don't take this video like too hard. So I just wanted to say this real quick at the end of the video. Don't feel like you need to clean your house to the nines before you have people over. Nobody's gonna judge you for it. My house isn't perfect. Nobody's house is perfect at all times. I just like, when people come over, I like them to feel comfortable and feel like they're in a nice, clean space. So I tried to do this, but it doesn't always happen. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this. And I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Take care. Bye.
Lost in between, let's keep on flying, let's keep on